Hi Leo, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com, and this is your monthly forecast for June 2012. Leos, we start this month with a beautiful planet, and that is Uranus. That is going to be touching your sixth house. Now, Uranus is a planet of chaos, it's a planet of cosmic surprises. It is also a planet of unpredictability. So, a lot of you are going to be thinking, rethinking your strategies, your plans. Just that the universe is urging you not to get too dazzled by your own ideas. Do some amount of a ground check, that is very important for you. It is also a great time for a lot of you to let go of ideas and things and plans at your business place which are not working at all for you, Leos. I think some of you are sort of carrying the dead wood with you and you're refusing to let go of it because it was such a grand idea to start off with. The universe is cautioning you and the universe is urging you to let go of plans that have not got materialized as of now. And this I'm talking about plans which could have taken place about 5 to 6 months back and they really have not much future in it of getting manifested. There could be more brighter, better things that could be awaiting you, but you could just be being too stubborn or too proud to want to look at them. So this month, do a reality check and let go of things that are not working out for you. Around the 19th, we have Jupiter that is going to be moving into your chart, and Jupiter is a planet of expansiveness and it's a beautiful planet. And Jupiter is going to be urging you to take a decision of sorts this month, and it could be between two people. It could be two people whom you're very attracted to, and I think it would come to a point where you will be forced to, make up your mind whether who is the person that you want to spend your time with. It could also be that during this time you come to know the harsh reality of one such person whom you may have thought is very genuine but is not really in the reality. So you could be sort of quite a bit disappointed, and but I think it's a good thing. Leos, in any case, this is the year where I think after 7.5 years, a lot of you have removed your rose-colored glasses and you are looking at your relationships the way that they are and the value that they bring to your life. So painful, yes, but I would say, hey, better now than never. So there could be a sort of a triangle, and you could be forced to really make a choice between who is it that you want to spend your time with. We also have a lunar eclipse on the 4th. And this lunar eclipse sees you realizing that you can't please everybody in your life, and you will, much as you may hate to, Leos love to please everybody and they want to be besides being the center of attraction, they like to be well liked by everybody. So the eclipse could sort of force you to take a decision, even among friends, to sort of take sides, if I may put it that way. Till about the second week, I would say it could turn out to be a little bit of a tricky situation, and it could be, I think it has to do with close friends, and it could also be a romantic association. So tread a bit carefully, it could get a bit ugly. For those of you who are married and who have children, it's a good time for you to be taking stock of what your child is doing in his or her own free time. The universe is urging you to get more involved in your child's life, irrespective of the child's age. It's a good time for not just a parental bonding, but I think some amount of a guidance is required, and it could be just done with a parental touch. So do reach out to your child this month. We have a lovely connection towards the end of the month between Venus and Jupiter, which is there in your sign, and it could make some time for some yummy associations with the opposite sex. And you could be, for those of you single again, you could be coming across with people you have been really attracted to, and it could be a time of making magic. So overall, a great month. Have a good month. I'll see you again in July And thank you so much for watching.